Assalamu alaikum. As expected, another domain related to COVID-19 have started, and I'm talking about the vaccination. My name is Dr. Yasser. I had been thinking to make a small video regarding a vaccine which we are currently using in UK, and also people were asking about my own experience of having vaccine, which I had around 2 weeks ago. In this video, I won't be encouraging or discouraging anyone to have the vaccine, but I will just quickly talk about the effects of the vaccine and related to few misconceptions in the community. People are thinking that is this vaccine safe or not safe? When I looked into the detailed article, which was in fact published today on 31st of December 2020 regarding the current drug which is called BNT 162b2 made by Pfizer and BioNTech, it did show that this trial have gone through all the phases of which a new drug should normally go through: phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they have done the randomization of patients from July till November, and they included the quite good number of patients, which was quite close to around 44,000. And they randomized into two groups, one into the group of around 21,000 having actually the drug, and another group was the placebo group, and it was divided into 21,000 as well. So they gave the doses to all the patients in the vaccine group, and they found that out of 21,000, after the first dose, only one patient had a very severe COVID infection, and 9 had severe infection, and they were from the placebo group, like they did not had the actual drug. After the second dose of vaccine, total 8 patients were affected in the vaccine group, and 162 patients were affected in the placebo group who did not have any vaccine. So they determined that the efficacy of this vaccine is around quite close to 95%. So based on this information given in this article about the trial, it seems like that this is a quite safe drug. It was done in a multi-center, in different centers. It was not done in just one place. And so the chances of success of this vaccine are quite high. And that is the reason why it has been given into the community, and now the people have started to get vaccinated. Obviously, the long-term effects will require couple of months and more years to see for how long the immunity will last after having the vaccination. But so far the results are quite promising. Now coming to my own experience of having, so whenever you will get any vaccine, including influenza, for flu jab or any other vaccine, the effects are pretty much similar to that. The first and common effect is the pain. Sometimes you can also feel fever, you can also feel a bit dizzy, you can also get muscle ache, because the phenomena of the vaccine and to getting immunized is pretty much similar for all the vaccination. Like you inject the small part of the virus itself, they call it as spike protein, and then based on which the antibodies develops against that protein, and it does happen in the form of either antibodies or T cell response come in place, which can give you body aches. You can feel the temperature and pain, obviously, and these are quite common side effects. So far, as per this article, they did not mention any severe side effect, and as I mentioned, they have gone to all the phases, phase 1, 2, and 3, in which they had very small group of patients, and then increased the group, and then increased up to around 44,000 of the patients. So I think this drug is safe, and I don't see a reason not to have the vaccination, and the only thing which was different in this vaccine as compared to other vaccine, that it has come into the market in very in a quick fashion over the period of around 11 months, which has not happened before. And it does not mean that the reliability of this vaccine is compromised, because they have adopted all the process which should get be adopted, but they have done it in a fast track. So if you have any question, you can put it in the comment. To be honest, there is nothing much to say about this, because obviously in the social media there are so many things rotating about the effects of the vaccine. There are so many things they have been talking about, but I can't say much about those things, because the if someone is allergic to anything, then they can expect to have the allergic reaction. But so far we have not seen any of the cases with the serious side effects. So I think this is the only way forward to control this pandemic. I hope you will learn from this, and also if you have any question, I'm happy to answer that. And let's see, hope for the best. Hopefully this vaccine works well for everyone in the future. Thank you very much.